Today on World Famous Foods, we're doing a Turkish recipe, Menemen. Let's cook. Okay, so we got our olive oil in the pan. We're gonna start with some onions. Our sucuk, Turkish sausage. So this recipe is actually like a Turkish breakfast recipe. Just basically eggs, tomatoes, peppers, some onions. But I figured I'd just add some sucuk in there. Give it a little bit better taste. We're gonna saute these down for a little bit. Now we're gonna add our peppers. Okay, we're gonna add some butter. Just a little bit better taste. The flavor. We're gonna cover this for a couple of minutes. Let us do its thing. All right. Add our tomatoes. A little bit of oregano. Some red pepper flakes. A little bit of salt. And some pepper. Black pepper, that is. Okay, Joanna Nesbitt, you wanted this video? Here you go. Let me know how it turns out if you try it. Cover this again. Okay. Crush our tomatoes here. Looking good, smelling good. And of course, it's world famous food, so it's gonna be tasting good. Now we're going to crack our eggs. Look at that, folks, look at that. Okay, now to top this all off, we're going to use some Feta cheese. Mediterranean blend. Mix this up a little bit. Gonna cover this for like another minute or so. All right, folks, that's it. Turn our heat off. And here we have it. World famous foods, Menemen. It's our Turkish recipe with eggs, onions, tomatoes. Look at that. Get some bread to go with this, and we're gonna enjoy this. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe.